Fresh in my mind, the year is 1993. Matapos magsawa teachers ko sa elementary, sinipa nila ako patungong high school. Bago na mga classmates ko, bago na ang schedule. First day of classes sa flag ceremony, nakikinig sa Desma ng Bone Thugs and Harmony. And here comes dumadating mga seniority, sabay sungkap sa bago kong polo. What is my G? O gangsta, usong-uso sa eskwela, tag sa koridor at graffiti sa kubeta. Favorite subject, PE, recess. Ganto pala sa high school, legal magkating classes. Di ko rin malimot, wow, niya sa stifangan. Dito rin sa high school, unang nakascore. At pag may CAT formation, feeling ko ay nasa hell. Buti na lang pag recitation, laging saved by the bell. High school life, high school life, high school, high school life, high school life, high school life, high school, high school life, high school life.
Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us, above us only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for, and no religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace. High school life, at ang high school life ay walang kasing saya. Bakit kung graduation ay luluwagan agad? High school life, at ang high school life ay walang kasing saya. Bakit kung graduation ay luluhakan talaga? Ang saya ng high school, singing years in my school, di na mapapantayan. Chapter nga ng buhay, nasa tiyan makulay, alaala kailanman. High school life, for my high school life, every memory kay ganda. High school days, oh my high school days are exciting kay saya. High school life, at ang high school life ay walang kasing saya. Bakit kung graduation ay luluhakan talaga? High school life, at ang high school life ay walang kasing saya. Bakit kung graduation